everyone, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me. I'm here with Qwest E20 RLS. It's a dual captain's model. It's 20 long, it's 8.5 wide, and a really cool boat. Why don't you come on board and take a look? One of the things that I think Qwest did so well with this year's models is their use of color. So you can see the external colors coming right onto the inside of the boat in their furniture, as well as creating a three-tone pattern here that just looks really, really sharp. They also feature a USB port built right into their seats there, so really nice there as well. I did mention this is a kind of a dual captain's layout, so for the captain and their first mate, great places for them to sit, really comfortable and really good looking seats as well. You also see some nice space here in the back for anyone who wants to kind of lounge and relax. Really nice benches here to be able to do that. And finally, we have a set of nice stainless steel ladder here off the back, really heavy duty, really nice. With anything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, we do include a full tank of gas, a full mooring cover, and a full safety package so everyone is safe and can enjoy the boat. We also deliver any boat anywhere in the state of Ohio at no charge, and make sure you have on-water training to make sure you are ready to enjoy your new purchase. If you think this is the boat for you, you can call us or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.